Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show 7 solutions to fix Instagram notes missing on your iPhone. So, let's watch the video till the end. The first solution is to update Instagram app. So, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Search for the Instagram app in the search box. Now, check whether you're using the most up-to-date version of the Instagram app. If it shows an update option, tap on it and wait a moment to install the app update. If your app is up to date, then skip this solution. If updating the app doesn't work, follow the second solution. Don't use a VPN. You may be using an active VPN connection. You need to disable the VPN network from your phone and try again. If the problem persists, try the third solution to Authenticate Account. Sometimes, Instagram notes do not appear due to an account authentication error. So, first, you need to sign out from your account and sign in back. Let's follow the on-screen steps. First, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, you tap the Hamburger menu at the top right corner. You can see multiple options appear on your phone screen. Select the first option, Settings and Privacy. Then, on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Log Out from your account. Now, re-log into your account by entering your login details. Ensure you are checking on Instagram Web, so don't use Instagram Web. If you want to use Instagram Notes, remember they're only available on the mobile app. It is a simple and convenient way to share brief messages with friends and followers. Unfortunately, the web version of Instagram doesn't currently support this feature, so you won't be able to access or create notes using Instagram on a computer. You must use the app on your iPhone or other mobile device to take advantage of Instagram Notes. It is now moving to the fourth solution to check the network connection. If you're facing issues with using the Instagram Notes feature on your iPhone, you need to check the network connection. For that, swipe down from the top and connect to the high-speed network. If the connection issue remains, you can turn the airplane mode on and off from the control center. If there is no problem with the network connection, go through the fifth solution. Check if your account is flagged. The platform may flag or restrict your Instagram account for common reasons displayed on a video screen. Frequent actions include following, unfollowing, liking, commenting, posting too many posts, etc. Not following the Instagram's community guidelines. You may need to verify your age and profile details. Logged in from different devices. To avoid getting flagged, you should follow the guidelines displayed on-screen video. Please read and follow the rules and standards Instagram has set for its community. Avoid using any apps or services that may break Instagram's rules. Verify your age and profile details on Instagram. Use the same device and location to log into your account. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection. You have to be patient for a day or two until the ban is removed, and then try using Notes again. Still, your problem remains. Follow the sixth solution to delete and reinstall Instagram. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to select General. Now, tap the iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the Instagram app. Tap on it. You will see how much space the app uses. If you want to delete all the documents and data, tap Delete App. It will delete the app and all related data from your iPhone. You can follow the alternate way to delete the Instagram app and its data. On your iPhone home screen, long press the Instagram app icon. You can see multiple options here. Tap on the Remove App option. The pop-up will show and ask you to delete or remove the app from the home screen. Select the Delete App option. It will again show a pop-up that says deleting this app will also delete its data. Tap on Delete. After deleting the app, head to the App Store and install the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then, check if the Notes feature is available. If none of the above solutions works, follow the 7th solution to contact Instagram help support. Follow the on-screen steps on your iPhone to see how to submit a report at Instagram help support. So, you need to open the Instagram app on your iPhone first. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the More option. After that, select the first option, Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you need to scroll down the screen and tap on Help, which appears under the More Info and Support section. You will see many options. Select Report a Problem. Then tap Report Problem without shaking. Then, tap the Don't Include and Continue button. Write and explain your problem and request Instagram help support to fix an issue. If you don't want to write a problem, send a screenshot or upload a picture of a problem. Then, tap on the Send button. You will see the thanks message will pop up on your iPhone screen. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Write which solution is useful to you in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.